Hello, I'm Jay, owner of Volunteer Audio in Oliver Springs, Tennessee. I'm making a quick video to show you how to get a little more clearance between your ignition switch and your radio on your SoundStream Reserve HDHU.9813SG. Now, we've already made a step-by-step install video showing you how to put the radio in, and most of you have had no problem at all putting it in, and it fits great. But we had one in particular customer that had an issue getting the switch to clear the radio, even though he'd followed all of our directions. And we found out there could be another issue with your bike, making it harder to clear. Watch this video, and I'll show you how to get that extra clearance and how to get your radio to fit just a little bit better. This video is brought to you by VolunteerAudio.com, your #1 source for all things Harley-Davidson audio. From individual radios, speakers, and amps to complete plug-and-play amp and speaker systems, we've got you covered. And once you've ordered your package from Volunteer Audio, it includes lifetime tech support. And we have the very best step-by-step installation video so you can install it yourself and save money. All right, so here's what we found out. Over many, many years of riding this bike, the wind is always pressing on this fairing and pushing it toward the gas tank. And these two bolts on each side, normally they're a T40 Torx, are very, very tight. So as that wind's pushing, it's continually holding that fairing in that locked back position. So if you'll take a tool, I've got an Allen head, normally it's a T40, and loosen these bolts on both sides, I want to show you how much change we have in our radio distance. Now, keep in mind that ignition switch is solidly mounted to the front forks in that frame, where the fairing is actually floating on these bolts. All right, so all I did was loosen them. I don't want you to take them out, but I want you to check out this gap difference here. So sitting on the bike, if your fairing is pulled back, you'll see the ignition switch won't even go all the way into the locked position. But if you've loosened that and pushed it forward, you'll see we have plenty of clearance and it goes in no problem. So we're going to push the fairing back. While I'm holding it back, I'll have Rick go ahead and tighten the bolts. All right, so now once those are tight, you'll see that gap is still there. We can move our ignition switch all the way around. No issue removing or installing the switch, and plenty of clearance on the radio. All right, so as always, at Volunteer Audio, our #1 goal is that you have the best experience possible. We want to show you the latest products as they come out. We want to show you how to install them. We want to show you how to use them. But when we find little tips or tricks to make your life easier or to make your install even better, we want to video it and show it to you. So if this video has helped you, I'd ask you to please like the video. Subscribe to our channel to get more content like this, and we're going to continue to make sure you get the best experience out of the products you bought from Volunteer Audio. If you bought it somewhere else, well, I'm glad you found this video, and I'm glad we were able to help you too. Now, if you got questions about a future system, maybe you want to talk about system design or want us to put together something within your budget or for your genre of music, reach out to us at volunteeraudio.com or call us at 1-844-30-AUDIO to speak to one of our knowledgeable sales and tech staff. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment below, and I'll be quick to answer your questions. And as always, God bless.